Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charlene for those of you who are new, and to my loyal subscribers, thank you as always for coming back. I received this amazing makeup kit from Armani Beauty. This is some of like their bestseller products. So today you guys are gonna get ready with me doing a full face of Armani Beauty. These are the products right here. As you can see, I've already moisturized my face. So I will get started with the Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. It doesn't feel like heavy and it applies really well, almost like a moisturizer, but like a water-based moisturizer. I like using it along with the foundation because it just pairs so well. I'm in the shade 13 and they sent me a backup. This is quickly becoming one of my favorite foundations because it is really that good. And just like the primer, this is actually pretty lightweight and it applies like really well on my skin. So I really like the shade 13, and again it just like blends really well into the skin. I'm gonna keep the look really simple. It gives me a really flawless base. So pretty. And I really don't add like too much. I'm using the same amount of product and I'm just making sure I spread it evenly. I also have a backup in the highlighters. I originally had the shade 8.75. I feel like it's a little too light, so I went this time with shade 10. All right, and I just go in. I'll probably mix it with 10. So see, 10 is a little darker. I'm just mixing the two. Look at that. I actually use a little bit of setting spray. It helps set the concealer a little better underneath the eye. Trust the process because it low-key looks a little crazy. So with this, I feel like you don't get like heavy coverage. You get a nice thin layer. But this is definitely like your skin, but better when it comes to this concealer. Even the foundation, it's not heavy and it's not cakey, which is nice. I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna let it sit for a little longer. I feel like I got no coverage from the first go, but that's because I blended it out way too quickly. And I want the coverage to be a little better. This is a better color underneath my eye. Part of the kit, I did get some eye tint. They look like this. These are very interesting because I've never used them before. This has been sitting under my eye for a minute. I'm gonna quickly work it in the skin. So I do feel like it's better. I'm gonna go ahead and set it. And I feel like with the Luminous Silk line, it gives you that dewy look without being oily. I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. So the brows are as good as they're gonna get today. I'm gonna go in with the eye tint. I'm just gonna put some in like the corner, buff it into the skin. Because I'm gonna do like, ooh, that'll be a sexy smoky eye. Oh, this blends out like a dream. This is nice. You don't have to be perfect because you are blending it out and it is stunning. Oh, this is nice. I'm looking at myself in the monitor like, so nice. I am here for it. It dries out really well and it blends in really smoothly. And I'm gonna go in with the gold. The wand is pretty short. Oh, okay. Now, this is my vibe. I love this. And I like how it can angle like in the corner. This is beautiful, but don't blink. Don't blink until you've worked it into the skin. And it dries very quickly, so you have to work a bit fast. I feel like it's a perfect shade to add color to. I'm gonna go in with a little powder so it can just like blend seamlessly, but it's so pretty. I feel like using your finger is so much better. It just blends nicely into the skin. I still have some like learning to do with it, but it's gorgeous. Yes. I went in with a little bit of powder because I didn't want that like harsh line. I want it to be a little seamless. So after using my fingers, my powder on top is a perfect combination. I did get the Luminous Silk Glow Blush. The shade is very pretty. It also comes with a nice little mirror. Ooh. I'm a little heavy-handed with my blush, I'm not gonna lie, but it's okay. Because it's like blending into the skin so pretty, so seamlessly. So once I'm satisfied with the blush, I always go in and work it in and make sure everything is just nice and blended. I do not want to look crazy. One of the products I'm most excited about is the Luminous Silk highlighter. Oh my gosh. So it looks like that. Let's do a little swatch. Okay. Very brown girl friendly. I'm very happy about that. That is pretty. Doesn't emphasize my pores at all. It's so finely milled. It's just perfection on the skin. Like even the nose area. I love this. Is there something beneath? Oh, there's a brush. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, this is, the brush is nice. Like sometimes they come with brushes and they're not that good. Oh, 10 out of 10. So there's no brush in the blush. This is a tongue twister, but there's definitely one in here and I love it. I don't have any pencil from the brand, so I'm just gonna use a pencil and go in. I love a smoked out under eye. We'll just blend it out and it looks perfect. We're going for Femme Fatale, Armani Beauty Femme Fatale. It just comes together, you know. They did send a mascara. This is the Eyes to Kill mascara. The wand looks like this. And I have not really been wearing any falsies because I just don't feel like it. I see a difference for sure. Can you? I still cannot get over the highlight. No look would be complete without a great lipstick. And they sent me two. So we have Lip Power. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, so I typically prefer a matte lip, personal preference. The eye tint is actually pretty amazing. Yeah, the color payoff is great. Love it. It's not a liquid lipstick, it's a stick. Let's do a swatch. It has pretty good color payoff. I do like the angled edge. It glides on very smoothly. It feels really good on the lips. It's a little brighter than I expected. I thought it would be a deeper red, but still very gorgeous. This is not a red. I thought it was, but it's not. It's a pretty color. My cousin sent me this. So this is what I use to dry my setting spray. It's like so fancy. Thank you, V. So there you have it. A full face using Armani Beauty products. And I think it turned out pretty well. As you can see, the colors are beautiful and rich. They definitely complement my skin tone. They match me perfectly. And I am in love with the Luminous Silk Foundation. It's probably my #1 product. My second favorite product is the highlight because it's like I'm lit, but it's not obnoxious. It's not too much. It's so pretty. It's so soft. My third favorite so far are the eye tints. I mean, I did all of that with the eye tints. I thought the lipsticks were liquid, but they are sticks, which I'm okay with. But it is amazing. Amazing products, and they definitely complement darker skin. And I love it. That is it. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think about the products. Have you tried any of them? Join the conversation down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you as always for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.